Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were doing the back exercise of chapter number 7, that is MS PowerPoint. So we have already done all the other parts except question answers. We have done the rest of the back exercise. So in the today's session, I'm going to begin with the question answers. Okay, so let's write down the question answers. This is chapter 7, question answer. So the question number one is, what is the use of content placeholder? What is the use of the content placeholder? What is the use of content placeholder? So the content placeholder in MS PowerPoint is an area. Write down content placeholder. Content placeholder is an area. Is an area within the slide layout. Within the slide within the slide layout where we can where we can where we can place different types of different types of content where we can place different type of content such as such as text such as text comma tables such as text comma tables comma charts comma charts comma smart art, that is smart art comma pictures comma pictures comma clip art comma clip art or video or video, full stop. So what is the use of content placeholder? So content placeholder is an area within the slide layout where we can place different types of contents such as text, tables, charts, smart art, pictures, clip art or video. Okay. So this is the answer for the question number 1. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay. Moving next to the question number 2. Let's move to the next question. That is question number 2. This is question number 2. So the question number 2 is, how many presentation views are available in PowerPoint? Name them. Okay. How many presentation how many presentation views are how many presentation views are available in are available in are available in PowerPoint are available in PowerPoint question mark name them full stop. How many presentation views are available in PowerPoint? Name them. So there are different presentation views. Okay, there are different presentation views of PowerPoint, that is slide sorter view, normal view, reading view and slideshow view. So there are basically 4 different types of PowerPoint view. So the question answer for the question number 2 is, so the answer is there are different, लिखिए, there are different views on question, the how many presentation views are available in the PowerPoint, name them. There are 5 presentation views available in the there are 5 presentation views that are available in the PowerPoint. Okay, and we need to mention the name as well. There are 5 presentation there are 5 presentation views available in PowerPoint. There are 5 presentation views available in PowerPoint, such as the first one, that okay, we need to mention the names as well. The first one is slide sorter view. The first is slide sorter view. Second one, the second one is normal view. The second one is normal view. Third, reading view. And the fourth and the last one is slideshow view. The fourth is slide show view. So question was, how many presentation views are available in PowerPoint? So there are 5 presentation views that are available in PowerPoint. So the question was name them. So the name is written here: slide sorter view, normal view, reading view, and slideshow view. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 3. Let's move to the next question, that is question number 3. So the question number 3 is, what is slide transition? Okay, so slide transition is a visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another. So when a person moves from one slide to another slide, so you see a, and okay, so you see a, what we see an effect. Okay, so this is, suppose you have given some effect into your slideshow. So कभी हमें side से आ रहा है, कभी left, कभी right, कभी up, कभी down, sometimes with the center it blinks. So that is known as okay, these are known as the different kinds of views. Okay, so these are the effects that are being given to those presentation. Okay, so and when one slide changes to another, okay, so when we move from one slide to another slide, so you will see that another slide is coming from within the center. If suppose it is coming from within the center, it is blinking from the center, so that effect is known as transition. Okay, so that is the special effect which is given to while changing the from one slide to another slide, that is known as slide transition. So let's write down the question number 3. What is slide transition? Question number 3. What is slide transition? What is slide transition? What is slide transition? So the answer for the question number 3 is, transition is a visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another. So when we move from one slide to another slide, okay, so we see a transition. Okay, that appearance is known as transition. Okay, a visual effect, a visual effect, E-double-F-E-C-T, a visual effect that appears, that appears, a visual effect that appears while moving from, while moving from while moving from one slide to another, while moving from one slide to another. Okay, a visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another is known as slide transition. Is known as transition. Full stop. A visual effect that appears while moving from one slide to another is known as slide transition. So when we move from one slide to another and individual visual effects that we see in that slides, that is known as transition. So this is the answer for the question number 3. You can pause it here and note it down in your marks. चलिए, moving next to the question number 4. So the question number 4 is, this is question number 4, that is, what do you mean by animation? Question number 4 is, what do you mean by animation? What do you mean by animation? So the answer for the question number 4 is, what do you mean by animation? Animation is a special sound and visual effect that is added to a slide to make a slide show interesting and attractive. Okay, so when we add some special sound or visual effects, okay, to a slide to make it more attractive or interesting, that is known as animation. Okay, so let's write down the answer. Animation is a special sound. Animation is a special sound. Animation is a special sound and visual effect and visual effect visual effect that is added to that is added to a slide, that is added to a slide to make a slide to make a slide to make a slide show interesting and attractive. To make a slide show to make a slide show interesting and attractive. Okay, so that is known as animation. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 4. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebook. Okay, so what do you mean by animation? So I'll just repeat the answer here. Animation is a special sound and visual effect that is added to a slide to make a slideshow interesting and attractive. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 4. Okay, so with this we have completed, sorry, I'm suffering with swig, cough and cold, so that's why my voice is not clearly audible. Okay, so this is the question answers from chapter number 7. So after this, we will begin with the chapter number 8. Okay, but now you are having your unit test 2. So kindly start, so just keep preparing for it. I hope that you have already started for the test, you have already started with the revision part. Okay, so question answers, everything, back exercise, everything is very most important. So kindly go through it very minutely so that whenever you will come for the exams in the school, it will be easy for you to attempt your paper. Okay, so this is from my today's session class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.